Hi, my name's Dustin and I'm with the Fleming County FFA, and I'm going to teach you how to do a 10-hour or daily maintenance on a 5085 John Deere tractor. First thing you do is you park it on a flat safe surface and put it in neutral. Next you will untwist this little cap right there and until it turns pink to get all the water out. Next, you'll check the oil and see if you need to add oil or not. And on this, you are a little low, so we need to put oil in it. Next, you'll take this little rubber cap off for the air filter. Then you'll come behind the tractor and you'll twist this little cap right here until you have gas coming out. When there's gas coming out, turn it off.